Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Start by unplugging your Dyson SV25 from the power source to ensure safety during the repair process. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and pulling it away from the main body. This will give you better access to the motor compartment. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum cleaner. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off the motor compartment. Be cautious as there may be some dust buildup inside. It's a good idea to clean this area with a soft brush or cloth to ensure optimal performance after the repair. Now you will see the motor. Disconnect the motor wires by carefully pulling them off the terminals. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Next, remove the motor by unscrewing the screws that hold it in place. These screws are usually located on the sides of the motor. Once unscrewed, gently lift the motor out of the compartment. Take a moment to compare the old motor with the new one to ensure they match. Before installing the new motor, it's essential to clean the area where the motor sits. Use a vacuum or a damp cloth to remove any debris. This will help in maintaining the efficiency of your vacuum cleaner. Now place the new motor into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Secure it in place by tightening the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the motor wires to the terminals, ensuring they are firmly attached. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help. Once everything is connected, replace the cover of the motor compartment and secure it with the screws. Make sure everything is tight and secure to prevent any issues during operation. Finally, reattach the dust canister by sliding it back into place until you hear a click. Plug your Dyson SV25 back into the power source and turn it on to test the new motor. If it runs smoothly, congratulations, you've successfully replaced the motor. If you encounter any issues, or if you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Remember, no calls, no travel, we make it easy for you. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.